Hey everyone, it's Heather from Heather's Michigan Garden, and I am just working on cleaning up one of my flower beds today. It's about 40, gonna reach 50 degrees today here in Michigan, so I thought I'd start working on some cleanup. So I'm just gonna be cutting back some of my hydrangeas. I already was working on and cut back my hibiscus back there. I'll do another video about cutting back my hibiscus. And after I'm done cleaning up, I'll show you how it looks afterwards. Thanks for watching. This is the before. I already started working on this, just kind of deadheading this hydrangea. And then here, I already cut back the hibiscus on there, but I'll do another part where you can see how I did that. These are some phlox that I'm cleaning up, the ultraviolet phlox. I just go in and use my clippers and cut these back. And then these are the heliopsis, same thing. A lot of times they just come right out of the ground because they're really dry. So I can just break them off and clean them up. I'll need to get more mulch to put down in here too, but just gonna get it cleaned up for now. Yeah, this is the Tuscan gold heliopsis. Again, I can just go in and so dry, it just comes right up. And then over here, this is that lemon, I think it's lemon meringue baptisia. I just cut this back. Like that. Pretty easy cleanup. And then all this stuff will come right up from the ground. They're all perennials, so that's what we're doing today. So I'll show you when it's all done. Thanks. All right, so we got a lot of the work done in this flower bed, cutting everything back, and I'll just kind of walk through it. I'm not done. We got to put some more mulch down and clean it up. You would not believe how many blooms we cut off of our hydrangeas. That was crazy. There's a big pile. You'll see them back there. That's the pile of hydrangea blooms. So anyway, this is what it looks like after cleaning it all out. Last fall, we pulled out a bunch of our perennials, so we have some holes in here that we need to fill in. We have some weeds to clean out, and we still do have a few perennials still in here that we did not transplant yet. But it does certainly look a lot different being all cleaned out and everything kind of cut back and cleaned up. So that's how this one's going so far. Thanks for watching Heather's Michigan Garden. Hi, so I had started in the front yard cutting back the hibiscus, but I wanted to actually demonstrate how I cut the hibiscus back. So you just go down here, and this one is a couple of years old, so the stems are pretty thick on it. So I just go through my clippers and just start cutting them back about 3 to 6 inches, and you can see there are some older stems that are in here. When they grow back in the summertime, they don't grow on these, they grow up brand new, so it doesn't really matter about these. You just cut them back and it'll grow all brand new in the summer, and they'll get this tall in one season. So I just want to demonstrate how I cut these back. I'm going to go through and cut all of these down and clean it up and wait for them to grow back for this next summer. Thanks for watching Heather's Michigan Garden.